and me. By his gentle hands we're just like clay. Then he molded us till we became what he wants us to be. He brought the sunshine, he brought the rain. He keeps us warm when we are cold, and he keeps on refreshing us while we sleep, while we dream. Little flowers in the rain, growing stronger day by day. By the hands of God, we're tended and cared. Little angels in the wind, they guide us beyond our sight. By the grace of God, we're living in faith and love. By his words we grow upright. By his eyes we'll not go astray. By his love we live in peace. By his power, by his might. Little flowers in the rain, growing stronger day by day. By the hands of God, we're tended and cared. Little angels in the wind, they guide us beyond our sight. By the grace of God, we're living in faith and love. Little flowers in the rain, growing stronger day by day. By the hands of God, we're tended and cared. Little angels in the wind, they guide us beyond our sight. By the grace of God, we're living in faith and love. By the grace of God, we're living in faith and love.